Water Lessons is a program that celebrates learning through doing. We invite water specialists from various fields of knowledge and research to host each monthly lesson and to provide a new lens to understand water as material, muse and resource. Through Water Lessons, it is our aim to unpack the qualities, powers, threats and future imaginaries of water together. Before we begin, I'd actually just like to invite you to momentarily close your eyes. Just sort of situate yourself in this environment. To feel the breeze on your skin, the air that surrounds you, and the earth beneath your feet.
Humans, we think we're quite evolved and we think we're the master species, and we're certainly very clever and we can do all sorts of amazing things. But there's also things we do that aren't so evolved, and you think about how this planet was created for us to live on, and it was evolved over millions and millions of years. And every day, can you just believe how many beautiful things are on this planet? It's just mind-blowing, and there's more and more to discover. From the clouds in the sky to what's in the ocean to what's on land to every single creature. So thinking about that, when I was invited to be part of this program, it made me think about water. That really, maybe the most evolved thing on the planet is actually water. Because we're more than 70% water ourselves, and you think of what water is in just about every single thing on the planet, and how it actually creates life. I've invited two fantastic collaborators to be part of the program today, Amanda Cole and Sam Marshall, who are going to bring a really fantastic diversity to what we think about water.
We all know that water, we're in a place called the Goldilocks zone, which from the distance to the sun is a zone where water's liquid and can also be ice, and it can also be steam or water vapor. So it's an amazing zone. If we weren't in that zone, we wouldn't exist because you would freeze.
Amanda is an amazing artist and a musician, and she specialises in microtonal music, which is like the notes between notes.
I will tune my wine glasses, then I'll play you a 5-minute piece, and then what we'll do is I'm going to teach all of you how to tune your own glass. So you've all got a glass there, and I've pre-prepared, there's 5 notes up on my website, so we're going to attempt to see, I know the range of that glass now, I checked that last night, there's 4 notes that we can find on that type of glass. There's a few bigger ones here too for some lower notes. So I guess the basic is that the more water you have in the glass, the lower the note, really.
In the last lockdown, I went for the 5-kilometre rule. I couldn't get to the ocean. And so for the first time, probably 41-ish years, I couldn't get to the sea. And it was such an incredibly life-changing experience.
I'm 7 months pregnant, and I've been driving down to Balmoral Beach and just letting off some weight by floating at Balmoral every morning, and I feel so lucky to be able to do that.
It was challenging getting everyone else to tune their glasses to the same note, so I wanted perhaps, I had a really good suggestion from one of the audience members that I could have said how many mils of water could go in each glass to make the note.
The concept was really, really good and engaging. There was a really nice cross-section of people from all different backgrounds that brought their own experience to it. You have this room full of strangers and we come together for this activity, and then discovering we'll have to share and who they are and what they are interested in.